Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to increase font size on Facebook in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then your font size is normal and okay, check your font size. Then back, click on settings, tap on search bar, then search on text size. Okay, this volume button is normal, then swipe right, your size is long, then size is long size. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.